So, welcome guys. Today I will show you how I remove the echo in my OBS. So, first thing you need to go to change system sound. This one. Then go to recording. All the microphone here should have label 0 and disable this one. And on listen tab, the listen to this device should be unchecked. Okay. So now we go to the microphone you are using. So I'm using the Yeti stereo. So on listen, this should be unchecked, and if you check and apply, your voice have an echo. So you need to uncheck and apply. Okay, so hope that will help guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.